Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my teacher.
Hi guys, welcome to session 69.
69 is a position?
I think so. Yes. Also, it's the name of a rapper.
69,
Yeah,
yes,
69.
yes.
Yeah. He has a lot of tattoos on his face
Yeah.
and he sings rap. Many people
He have a
don't like him.
he has a long ear and
Yeah, he has got long hair.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he's a rapper. Okay. So guys, if you watch this video, tell us do you like 69 or not? Comment in the comment section. Do you like 69 the rapper or 69 the position? Which one do you like more?
I like a position.
You like the position. Okay.
Yeah.
It's very hard, to do it. Well, let's yeah. Let's start. We have this conversation here. Today we want to learn about this nice conversation about watching TV, also TV shows. TV shows are the programs or the shows that we watch on TV. Lesson B, let's start. We have this picture on the right. Before we start to talk about the picture, let me tell you something. We know that some families watch TV when they eat dinner or maybe lunch. For example, my family watches TV when they eat dinner. They watch TV shows and they eat dinner. Does your family eat in front of the TV or the TV is off?
No, no. The TV is on and we watch the TV show.
You watch the TV show and eat dinner, maybe?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So do you think it is okay to eat dinner and watch TV at the same time, or it's bad?
No, no, it's bad.
Yeah, I agree. It's not good to watch TV and eat dinner. I think it's good to watch TV. I think it's good to eat dinner and talk.
Yeah.
You can talk to each other, but not watching TV. Watching TV is not good when you eat dinner. Anyways, so you guys tell us, what do you think? Do you think it's okay to watch TV and have dinner at the same time or not? Please comment for us. We'll check your opinion. Now, let's look at this picture. We have this picture here. We have Eric and Mandy. This is Eric and this is Mandy. They are at home
Yes.
and it is dinner time, okay? Dinner time. Dinner time is the time that people have dinner. Dinner time. It is dinner time and okay. Dinner time or lunch time or breakfast time is the time that we have lunch, dinner, etc. Okay. As I said, it's dinner time and I want you to listen to the audio and tell us, when does Mandy watch TV? Please don't look at the text, just look at the picture. Listen to the conversation and take notes. So what's the question? The question is this. When does Mandy is the girl, watch TV? Yes, when does Mandy watch TV? Please write down your answer. And as I said, this girl is the Mandy and this is Eric. Please listen to the conversation, don't look at the text, and then write down your answer. Let's get started.
Lesson B, TV shows. 1. Building language. A. Listen. When does Mandy watch TV? This soup is delicious. What's in it? Mandy? Mandy?
I'm sorry. What?
Sometimes I think you watch too much TV.
Oh, I hardly ever watch TV.
Are you serious?
Well, sometimes I watch the morning shows, and I usually watch the late movie.
And you always have dinner in front of the TV. I mean, you never talk to me.
Yes, I do. I talk to you during the commercials.
Okay, so let's answer the question. When does she watch TV?
Hardly ever. She
Yeah.
say morning and just for movies. For
She
TV
watches the
show,
morning shows.
for TV show morning and movies.
Yes, the late movie. Yes, late movies at night, and she also watches when she has dinner. Right?
Okay.
When she has dinner, late movies, and morning shows. These are the answers. Okay, now let's go back to the conversation again. We have the text of the conversation here. We have Eric and Mandy. Let's read the text again. I read Mandy. Mr. T, you are Eric. Please start.
This soup is delicious. What means delicious?
Delicious is an adjective meaning, let me write it down here.
Wow, it's so good food.
Yes. When a food is yum, we say, it's great. This food is good. We say it's delicious. So when the food tastes good or it's an excellent food, we say it's delicious.
Okay.
Yes.
What's
Start
in
again,
it?
please.
What's in it? Mandy. Mandy.
I'm sorry, what?
You know, sometimes I think you watch too much TV.
Oh, I hardly ever watch TV.
Are you serious?
Well, sometimes I watch the morning shows and I usually watch the late movie.
And you always have dinner in front of the TV? I mean, you never talk to me.
Yes, I do. I talk to you during the commercials.
Okay.
Yes. Do you know what's a commercial?
No, I don't
Commercial,
have idea.
it's like a short clip that they show in the TV that is about a product or maybe something you can buy. Okay? So when you are watching movies, it's a short clip that they show you about a product or something that you can watch. It's called the commercial or advertisement. Maybe it's about a shampoo, maybe about, I don't know, maybe about cereal, maybe about food, maybe about a cell phone. It's a commercial or advertisement. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Let's end the video here. Next session, we will talk about a very nice grammar. It's about frequency adverbs, like always, usually, sometimes. And it's a very nice grammar. Make sure to subscribe to our channels and follow us for more videos. And please comment for us. Tell us, do you watch TV when you have dinner or lunch? And do you think it's okay or not? Please write down your opinion. And we would love to read your opinions and know what you think about this topic. Thank you so much. See you next session.
Bye bye.